How's it going, everybody? So today, guys, is a special day because we're going to be viewing Maritza's car. If you guys seen the last video, you've seen that we put countless amounts of work into it. We put the body kit on, and basically it was taken off to go get painted and fixed and touched up. And also, she got new wheels, and we haven't seen the car yet. So me and Urban are gonna meet up with her and go check it out and see this reveal. I'm excited, I'm stoked. All the hard work is gonna pay off, and it's nice to have another IS300 in the crew. And basically, guys, that thing was done in less than a month. So let's go. Before, she kept calling it a beater, and I don't think it's a beater anymore. So we're here at the parking garage. We're gonna do some DK shit. We're about to Tokyo drift it up over here, so get ready for that. If I get 4 likes on my video, I'll do donuts around this whole fucking circle. You doing it, Irvin?
Fuck yeah.
Dude, how fucking insane would that be? What level of fucking savagery would that be? Oh, she sounds so good. She sounds so good. Uh-oh, someone's car alarm went off. Bro, that wasn't my fault. I swear, I didn't think it was gonna reach. Yours, nothing. Yo, wait, is this level 1?
We'll just go to level 4 and then go down.
Oh shit, there's a copper right here. Bro, we're setting car alarms off. Are we gonna get arrested for that?
I don't think so.
He's just chilling right here.
It's just chilling. Just making sure nobody's doing anything too crazy.
Let's play a game. Let's see how many car alarms we can set off. All right, guys. So we're here at the parking garage, and we're gonna see Maritza's car, and I don't know how it's gonna look, but hopefully it's dope. So, yeah, we had to find spots to park here because we're like on the 6th level right now, right?
I don't know. We're on 4.
Okay, we're on the 4th level. She's on the 1st level, and the car's on the 2nd. So we're here, and we're gonna go for a walk. Decoys, man, decoys.
It's like, yeah, it's a bait car.
I straight up slowed down when I got up here.
I know.
It's freaking setting car alarms off and stuff. Like, what the heck, dude? All right, guys. So we're walking around, looking for a way down, and look at that.
I got the eyes of evil.
Hey, Irvin spotted a sport cross stock in its prime.
Stupid.
Bro, I was like, what are you talking about? What are you looking at? Yeah.
Let's see what I saw.
I was like, what are you talking about?
This is what I saw.
Fucking eagle vision, bro.
This is what I saw right here.
He saw the signal lights, bro.
I saw one tail light. And I was like,
This man's attention to detail is like insane.
Another fucking elevator.
There's 4.
There's 4? I thought there was only 1. Damn.
There's 1 here.
We're stoked. I didn't sleep last night.
Not at all.
Too busy thinking about it.
Yeah.
Straight up. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, San Francisco.
I'm Mexican and this is horrible.
Bro, I'm Asian and I've never been there. All right, guys, so we saw the car and I can't even breathe right now. This shit's crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys the car, and you guys saw how it was before when we were working on it, but this is just, check it out. Boom. Freaking, what color is this now? What do you call it? Caribbean something cool blues. I don't know, but it looks dope. And so Maritza got new wheels, and basically obviously the dent's not there because they usually do the body work when they paint. But I didn't know the whole car was gonna be painted at all. Like I thought it was gonna be the gray color. And then like I'm walking up and I'm like,
I was so excited.
I was like,
excited over gray.
I know. I was like, wait, something's off.
Yeah,
like, you're too stoked about stock color right now.
I know,
But
right?
well, the thing that got me was the turnaround time. I was like, how would you paint the whole car? Like that?
Yeah.
But like I had no idea the whole car was painted, and the wheels are like a perfect fit. He did this black,
Yep.
so that looks good.
It looks pretty good. Yeah.
It's just clean. Like this, I haven't seen this color at all, and obviously you won't probably see it. So, wow, good job, good job. I think So how long did it take you to get all this crap together? Cause
Like the paint job and stuff.
I mean,
or...
your car.
Oh. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it was built in a month.
It was built in a month. A freaking month, dude. Like literally a month.
This was the wheels were put on the next day. within the
Yeah.
day.
It was kind of like splurging kind of. Oh, okay, yeah. But like this is like what happens when you're just a baller. No, I'm just kidding. But like you guys can do it. It's just this is like whole like new level. Like the car was stock like freaking 3 weeks ago, and
It's pretty crazy.
this is where it is
My
now.
neighbors are definitely like, what the hell?
No wonder your mom liked it, huh?
She loved it.
Because the color.
Loved it, yeah. I even have, like,
Freaking
this whole
crazy,
thing where
dude.
I'm not complimenting. She's just like,
That's
"Love
so-
that color."
I can't stop looking at it. I'm gonna be honest. Like
It's crazy.
this thing is dope. What made you want to just start balling out on your IS?
I mean, like I said, we were just gonna go with the stock color, but
Stock life, no more.
I don't know. Like the more you go on Instagram, definitely
Yup.
you're like, oh, my car could look like that.
Exactly.
And
That's
then I'm like, you know what? Let's just do it. And
Uh-huh.
what's the worst that could happen? My car already looks like a beater. you
I know, honestly.
So I
That's-
was like really depressed. Like, oh, I have to drive around with
Yeah.
this thing.
So how do you feel now driving
I know,
around?
now I'm like, get out of my way.
You're like feeling of appreciation of like, yo, this is my car, and you guys are like when you pull up to like any meet or just anything in general,
Maybe.
this thing's gonna get attention. The color gets attention. The wheels are new. Like the car looks new.
And hopefully this will convince some people to buy an IS300.
Yup. So go follow Maritza's channel. Whatever it's gonna be. Did you have one? You think of a name?
Not yet.
So Maritza actually filmed a bunch of her stuff, and the build is on there, and it all happened in a month. Like no joke. You guys saw how it looked like when we were helping her put on the kit. Like this shit was literally stock. Yo, Irvin, what do you think?
I'm not gonna lie, it's not what I was expecting,
Dude,
but it exceeded my expectations.
exceeded his expectations.
I'm so
But yeah, that's it for the car. Be sure to, I will put it in the description once you guys figure out your channel.
Right.
And then, yeah, freaking, you're gonna be seeing a lot more of this, and
Still more to do.
still more to do.
Lots more to do.
A lot more to do, like always. IS300, you just can't stop.
True.
And yeah, we're gonna be doing stuff for our channel as well, and stuff to my IS. Irvin also got parts on the way, so pretty sick. You know what? She didn't tell me it was gonna be a different color. I'm all over here like it's gonna be that same stock gray. What's the hype?
I deduced it because she was talking about it.
That's what it is, guys. See you guys in the next video, and you'll be seeing more of that car. So.